Hello, friends. It is Saturday. It's another Saturday fun day. And today I'm going to revisit the Dole Whip. But this time I'm going to use the official Dole Whip recipe that Disney released a few days ago. And this is pretty easy to make. It only has 3 ingredients in it. Hold on. Ta-da! All you need: frozen pineapple juice, Dole, and vanilla ice cream. We couldn't find, well, we haven't really gone to the store in a while. It's hard to find vanilla ice cream online. So we actually went up to Brewster's, which is the local ice cream place, and we went through the drive-thru and got this quart, yes, of vanilla ice cream. I also wanted to show you this. This is kind of just random, but I made this flower crown for when Roxy and I did the Frida Kahlo. She was the monkey and I was Frida, and I just wanted to wear this today just to kind of make it more festive. Why not? So this is what you're going to use: 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. Get in there, get in there. Where's my little ounce? Okay. Oh, the sun cell's like beating me down right now. This is kind of windy out here. Oh, there it goes up. It's gonna come back down and hit me. Anyway, you're gonna have 4 ounces of pineapple juice. It's 4. And the ingredients say a big scoop of ice cream, but it doesn't really say how much ice cream. So, there, get out of there. It's pretty big, right? Alright, we're gonna turn our mixer on, and I should have brought a spoon out here. You know how this goes. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go get a spoon. I'll be right back. Ta-da! Alright. Here we go. Let's get this mixed up. Come on. Come on. Got it. There it goes. Time to go. Maybe a little more. But, you know, who knows when Disney will open again? It's not like I was going to go anytime soon. We just went. But you get your Disney fix this way. Alright, I think we're almost there. Just a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Alright. Put it in a piping bag. And I just wanted to point out that I've had this piping bag forever, and it's from Martha by Mail. This was back in the 90s when Martha Stewart had her mail catalog business. Okay, so you put this in your piping bag. Ooh, goodness. Oh, wow, it smells so good. Okay, and there's a star tip on this piping bag. Just gonna put it in your cup. Technical difficulties. I can't get it to come out of the piping bag. But we're gonna try something else. Let's see. I'm gonna try this one more time. Come on. Come on. It just won't come out. It's too thick. Okay, that didn't work. It tastes just like a Dole Whip. Alright, piping bag No. But there you go. Look at it. Dole Whip goodness. I'm just gonna lick this. Hold on. Mmm. Pineapple-y. It does taste like a Dole Whip. I wish I could have gotten it to come out of the bag, but maybe you'll have better luck than me. So, anyway, happy Saturday, fun day. Happy Dole Whip day. Enjoy your Dole Whip. And I will talk to you later. Bye.